Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got some interesting test results on this radio. This is the ZUKAKII. I don't know how to pronounce it. Anyway, it's the one I showed you in a previous video. It's an emergency radio, AM and FM, can be charged via USB. It has an internal battery, which is an 18650 battery, which is marked as 2000 milliamp hour battery. And so I did some various tests related to the life of the battery once it's charged. And here are the results right here. And the first test I did is I fully charged the battery using a USB cable, and it showed 8 bars on the little indicator on the display as far as charge. It played for 61 hours, almost 3 days. I had it tuned to one of the NOAA weather stations. Then I did my 5-minute crank test. And of course, the radio battery was discharged. And then I did the 5-minute crank test, in which I crank using the crank on the back of this thing, crank charge it for 1 minute, and then I rest for 30 seconds, and then I crank for 1 minute, rest for 30 seconds, and I do this until I get 5 minutes of cranking time. And when I did, I got 3 bars indicated on the battery status, and it played for 24 minutes. So I thought that was pretty good for only 5 minutes of cranking from a discharged battery. Then I did the solar charge. I left it in the window with bright sun on it for about 5 hours, and that showed 4 bars, which I thought was pretty good. But then when I did the test, it only lasted for less than an hour. I had made a measurement at 45 minutes, and it was still working fine. When I checked it at 60 minutes, it was off. So we're somewhere between 45 and 60 minutes with that 5 hours of solar charging. And of course, you got to keep in mind the little solar panel, pretty darn small on the top of this thing. So that's the results. Overall, I still like the radio. I haven't checked lately to see if it's still on sale for $19.95, but if it is, I think it's a good buy. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.